Today we are going to do subwaysurfers. I've played a little bit of this game before, but now there's a police officer chasing us. I think the main goal of this game is to get like 1,000,000 points, but right now we're just dodging like trains. There is a tunnel that we have to go through, and right now I'm just jumping over like planes and trains. Looks like there are these boots that I can jump really high on. Oh, looks like we died. I'm just gonna restart and let's get into it again. So now we're back to a police officer chasing us. So now we're just back to jumping trains and no boosters or anything equipped yet. So there's this tunnel. Now we're gonna go through it. I don't think that we're gonna get a booster for a while. I just missed some coins, so right now I'm just mostly focusing on jumping and mainly just staying alive. Is that a pogo stick? Oh my goodness, I am flying. I've never been on the roof thingy before. Yeah, so I'm on the roof. Oh, it looks like there are trains. It looks like I'm getting a new high score. So yeah, it's kind of getting a little hard.